everybody. Happy Saturday.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you've never been here before. My name is Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on my YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about the Neeva Baby Fetal Doppler. This device allows you to hear your baby's heartbeat from the comfort of your own home, which I think is dope because Miss Rona done took over for the 99 in the 2000. And y'all know that doctor's offices aren't allowing people into the appointments for the most part these days. Before we get into the actual product review, just let me gloat for 1 second, y'all. I walked past the mirror last night, y'all, and I was just so astonished. I feel like I have officially popped, as they call it. My belly is just coming into form now. Like, I am just so in love. I walked past the mirror like,
Is that me?
oh my God.
Mom.
Back up.
That's me?
Yeah.
No, that's not.
Your girl was just like caught off guard. It's like I look at myself every day and I just don't pay attention some days. But last night I was just really taking an assessment. Y'all, it was just a wonderful moment for me. My boyfriend was asleep. I was in here having a whole party by myself. But enough of that, y'all. Thank y'all for listening to my TED Talk. Now let's get back to why we're here. It looks like this. Just has a branded logo on the front of the box. Inside of the box, you get the Doppler itself, you get a probe, you get some headsets, you get instructions, and you get a small tube. And when I say small, a small tube of ultrasound gel. I ran out of it in like 5 days because I was just obsessed with finding my baby's heartbeat when I first got it. Now I use this Red Brand medical supply ultrasound gel that I got off Amazon. If I can figure out how to put the link in the description for y'all, I will. But you could also use some aloe vera gel that you can find at like Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, any place like that. So let's get into what's actually inside of the box. So this is the Doppler. On the top of it, you have a headset port. This is where you'll plug those headphones at that they gave you, or if you have your own headphones that'll fit into this port, you'll put those here. On the side here, this is where the device will hold the probe whenever you're finished using it. On this side, you have a volume control. I like to turn mine all the way up just because I want to hear my baby's heart as loudly as I can. The bottom is where you'll plug the probe at. On the back, this is where you'll put your batteries in. I forgot to mention that Neeva ain't sending out no batteries, so you're gonna have to go get yourself your own AA batteries. You'll need 2 AA batteries for this. On the front, of course, this is the display screen. This is going to show you your baby's heartbeats. Underneath that, you have the mode button on the left. This device has 3 modes. I always use mode 1 because it lets me hear my baby's heartbeat in real time. I can't tell y'all off the top of my head what the other 2 modes are, but I'll make sure I put that on the screen for y'all to see. In the center, this is the power button. You guys, you'll just press and hold the power button to turn it off and do the same thing to turn it on. And then to the right of the power button, you have the light control button. This is going to control how bright or dark your display screen is. And then of course, the little holes on the bottom is where your speaker is. So let me show you guys how to attach the Doppler to the probe. You'll take this in, the cord part, and you'll just insert it to the bottom of the probe, like so, and then this will allow you to hear your baby's heartbeat. Of course, this is the part that you'll gently glide across your stomach and slowly glide it too. This is going to help you find your baby's heartbeat. Here are the headsets that they send you. I think it's a thoughtful gesture. It's just a cheap standard pair of headsets, but they get the job done. So if you want to listen to your baby's heartbeat in private, they're definitely allowing you to do so. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the live demonstration. I am so excited to be sharing this moment with y'all. This is so special to me, guys. Kayla's gonna hold the camera for me because I'm gonna be using both of my hands. So I'll be right back after we get done with the live demo. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is apply some ultrasound gel before I even turn on that Doppler because it makes so much noise. I got this from Amazon. This did not come in the box. Alright, so you want to apply a generous amount. And you want to spread it all around the area that you think your baby is in. For me, I know by now that my baby sits on the left side. Y'all let me know in the comments if you think I'm having a girl or a boy based on where the baby is, based on how my belly is shaped. And when you guys see the heart rate, let me know what y'all think. It's also important to keep a paper towel near because this can get messy, and I do have a paper towel right here. Let's turn it on. Let's find the baby. There's the baby, guys. Even the slightest movement can cause you to lose where the baby is. So be very slow with the probe. So yeah, keep moving. There we go. I don't know if it's me moving or the baby. It's your mom. All right, there's the baby. Moving around. Just remember, when you're doing this, you do not have to apply a lot of pressure. Just be very gentle and move slowly. My child is moving today. Where we go? That's my heart. It's going down. Where's the baby? Well, I guess the child is tired of being on YouTube, so we'll just turn the Doppler off. I hope you guys enjoyed that live demonstration. I feel like today my baby was just not having it. I know my baby's like,
Girl, you come bothering me every Friday with this probe. I'm fine.
10 stars out of 10 for the Neeva Baby Doppler. If you guys are interested, I do recommend it. Y'all know I'm not being paid to say this because my subscribers, we getting there. That's all I'm saying, we getting there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If there's anything specific that y'all want to see from me, whether it's pregnancy related or not, let me know in the comments or send me a message and I'll try my best to get that done for you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. Be blessed and I'll talk to y'all in the next video.